Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at Myrsol. Well, it's Barcelona, Spain, 1940s, and a Mr. Miquel Sol Ricou is being a chemist and experimenting, making lotions, and he kind of stumbles upon this idea of making some emulsions, and that is the birth of Myrsol. Now, this line is the epitome of mid-century classic shaving. I think as a young wet shaver, I saw these products being put in people's shave of the day pictures and videos on the counters in people's bathrooms. And I was like, man, I have got to find out where this is from and carry this product. I mean, the bottles are just iconic. They have this mid-century look, the colored, liquid inside, the big cursive-y text. I think part of the really cool thing with the wet shaving experience is trying some awesome products and having cool things in your bathroom. I hate to say it, but packaging does sell. We all know it. The artisan vendors today have these beautiful pictures, but lines like this are iconic, they're classic. And it's not just good looking. It doesn't just look kind of fun and throwback. It's actually great performing stuff as well. They smell great, they look great, good quality ingredients. Let's go through some of these Myrsol scents one by one. Aqua Leemon is an excellent product for regenerating the skin's natural acid epidermis layer and generally protecting the skin post-shave. It calms, refreshes, and soothes the skin while reducing irritation, all with a beautiful soft lemon fragrance. It's made with citric essentials from lemon, and it produces an extraordinary and sensational freshness and pleasant aroma. The Myrsol emulsion is a superb pre- and post-shave treatment which can be used to prepare the skin before shaving or to soothe, protect, and moisturize after shaving. It's an alcohol-free formula and contains lanolin. It's not greasy and has an excellent antiseptic properties. It smells like lotion, a little bit of zesty, kind of citrusy, but otherwise this smells like quality lotion. Formula C Aftershave regenerates the epidermis. It refreshes and repairs the skin after shaving, and it leaves the skin soft and toned. It has a pleasant aroma with a light mint base. Myrsol's Blue Aftershave Splash refreshes with its clean scent that has a touch of menthol. It soothes and helps regenerate the skin with its cooling ability as a way to complete your wet shaving regimen. Suitable for normal to oily skin. Dermatologically tested and provides long-lasting menthol fragrance with a hint of floral. The Plastic Shave Lotion is a slightly sweet scent, classic and reminiscent of a hair salon. This formula has been developed to help strengthen even the most sensitive skin. This formula is so soothing it can be used for the treatment of mosquito and insect bites. Rosy, floral for sure. I like it. Myrsol has developed a new aftershave fragrance, F or Extra. It soothes and regenerates the skin, providing a pleasant and intense cooling sensation after shaving. It has intense and long-lasting fragrance. Ooh. Musky, spicy, classic. Agua Balsamico Aftershave. It's balsamic water aftershave. It's essential in your daily grooming routine. Your face will feel soothed and regenerated with the essences of rosemary, lavender, and thyme. This dermatologically tested aftershave is highly effective at soothing and regenerating the skin. So soothing it can be used as an effective treatment for skin rashes. Formula K Aftershave is a refreshing tonic with intense menthol fragrance. Massage onto your skin after shaving and will tone and cool it. Dermatologically tested, refreshing aroma of menthol and peppermint. It's formulated to help prevent shaving irritation for even the most sensitive skin types. Spicy, evergreen, like wintergreen gum, spearmint, something like that. The Myrsol Metasol Astringent is an excellent aftershave with extraordinary astringent qualities thanks to its elaborate composition, which includes alumstone, potassium, and thymol, a natural derivative of thyme, which acts as a natural disinfectant. Metasol repairs small cuts and irritation after shaving in an effective manner. It has a lovely herbal scent. Warm, musky, maybe almost like a cinnamon. I like that. The Anisole Pre and Aftershave Lotion is a real gem. While Sortable acts as a humectant, allantoin rejuvenates your skin cells, and menthol adds a fresh finish, stimulating your skin and preparing you for the day ahead with a very subtle, classic fragrance. More citrusy, maybe like an orange, tangerine. I like it. Don Miguel 1919 Aftershave. Thanks to the ingredients used in this product, it has an antiseptic, calming, and anti-irritation properties that repair skin after shaving. The recipe for this great aftershave has been recovered from the family book of recipes and pays homage to the brand's founder. Don Miguel 1919 has a jasmine aroma, a unique blend that is fresh, floral, and distinctly masculine. Ooh, even more of a throwback. This is floral for sure, spicy, maybe like geranium, fresh cut flowers. Don Carlos 1972 has ingredients used in this product that are antiseptic, calming, and anti-irritation properties. It's fragranced with an exquisite and elegant perfume, floral, sweet, citric, spiced, and fresh. Ooh, that's like total old man, but good way, like old, classic 1970s, like a cowboy would wear this. Spicy, maybe a little bit of sandalwood or musk. I love it. So Mr. Mikel Solricu, taking his name and kind of shortening his name and making this line of products has become one of the staples in the wet shaving world. If you haven't already done so, check out Myrsol. Get it in your bathroom, give it a shot, look good, feel good, create a great shave using these products today. Thanks so much for checking out today's Spotlight, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.